very good evening to one and all. It is a great pleasure to welcome the beautiful audience to this wonderful evening. Thank you all for giving us your prize time and joining us to celebrate Daksha Annual Day 2020. This year has been very different to all of us. 2020 has taught us the power of staying together and sharing positive moments. The stars of today's event are our children. I'm sure we all agree that they play a major role in letting us sail through these stressful times by demonstrating great resilience, optimism, and enthusiasm while making memories. They are now ready to astonish us on this virtual venue with their commendable talents. Let their joyful and bright faces shine on us and take us back to our childhood. In the comfort of your home, grab your favorite beverage, relax in your favorite spot, and enjoy the celebration. Now, let's call upon Tashank to introduce the theme of our first virtual annual day.
On behalf of our principal, teachers and students of class 7, I welcome you all to this very special annual day event. The theme for Daksha Virtual Annual Day 2020 is gratitude. If you want to jump out of bed in the morning shouting I love my life at the top of your voice and mean it, the time and place to start is here and now. It is brilliant to have a vision of how you want life to look and goals to get you there. It is great to use tools like affirmations and visualizations to put you in the right frame of mind to achieve those goals. But it is not just about looking forward to happiness in some future time. It is about where you are now, being happy with who you are and what you have now. And this is where gratitude, the best attitude, kicks in. Gratitude and appreciation give you a simple mind management tool with the power to change how you feel right now and carry you forward towards your goals. Gratitude is one of the universal themes from our shared experience of what it means to be human. Gratitude and appreciation act as a bridge from here and now to where you want to be. They put you in a great place by realizing and feeling great about all the marvelous things in your present life.
A great person once said that science is curiosity about life, art is a wonder of life, and philosophy is an attitude towards life. Dance is a form of vibration of the body and mind. It is a form of worship through which a dancer can reach the Almighty. It is a form of yoga. A dancer can only reach this stage through continuous training, that is sadhana. Here we have Raga welcoming you to a Bharatanatyam performance.
Dim dim takka dim dim takka dim takka very good takka 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 dim takka takka dim tam dim takka dim takka very good takka takka sundar takka takka dim tam. ಧಿಮಿ ದಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲ ಧರ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ಧಗ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲ ಧರ ನಂಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿ ನನ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ಧನ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ನಂದಿ ವಾಹನ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ ಧಿರಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ಧಗ
This was a wonderful performance this evening. It amazed me and gave me goosebumps. Thank you, Raga. I cannot wait for the next show. The power of words. A girl changed a blind man's day astoundingly. Sometimes we can find a new perspective in a few simple words. Words have power. Their meaning crystallizes perceptions that shape our beliefs, drive our behavior, and ultimately create a world. Their power arises from our emotional responses when we read, speak, or hear them. Now we have Abhideep and Nia coming up to present a skit on this.
Ma'am, give me some change, please. Here you go. Are you the one who came and changed my sign?
Yes, I am. Why? Did you not like it?
Well, after you changed it, many more people started giving me money. So what did you do?
I changed the sign to make them more thankful for what they have. I changed it to today is a beautiful day, but I cannot see it.
Ah, so that is what you have done. Thank you so much.
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Both signs spoke the truth. If taken a closer look, we can identify the emotions triggered by the statement. The first part, it's a beautiful day, makes us aware that it is indeed a beautiful day. The second part, and I can't see it, triggers two emotions, gratefulness on one hand and compassion on the other, a very powerful combination which leads to the desired action. Let's give a big round of applause to the performers. Happiness is a state of mind. A feeling of joy is more than just an experience of joy or pleasure. It is a state of mind where the individual feels that life is good. As Aristotle said, the happiness is the purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. Let's now welcome the children of class 7 who are here to express their happiness through their dance on the song Happy by Pharrell Williams.
It might seem
Human values are most important in life, so important that people are and should be ready to sacrifice almost anything to live with their values. Honesty, integrity, love, and happiness are some of the end values that human beings seek to attain, practice, and live with. Knowing our values help us achieve clarity regarding why we do what we do and accordingly stay on track and live a consistent life. Now, my friend Akshay is going to present a mime about this.
A person's most useful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. Thank you.
That was an incredible performance. Let's give our friends Akshay and his team a hearty round of applause. Now, Rishi Bharat is going to give an inspirational speech thanking our army. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to share some inspiring lines on Indian Army. I am Rishi from class 7. Before going ahead, I would like to start off with the slogan Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. India can boast of having the fourth strongest army and the second largest army in the world. The people who face the maximum trouble and the biggest challenges in the country and the least paid by the government but has the highest pride to be called the soldiers of the Indian Army. We citizens must try to be worthy of their supreme sacrifice. Infinite salutes to all the heroes. Vande Mataram.
Once upon a time, two angels went from heaven to earth with two huge baskets to collect the prayers of people, one with the label thanks and other one with the label requests. When they returned to God, the basket of requests was full and overflowing, but the basket of thanks was almost empty. Dear friend, the lesson is quite clear. An attitude of gratitude is often absent. The lack of a thankful heart may be the root to cause many human illness as well. An attitude of gratitude means you must learn to count your blessings in life. When you do so, you will find that they far outnumber the difficulties or problems you face in life. Moreover, it gives you a joyous heart as well. An attitude of gratitude helps you value simple joys of life. A thankful heart will help you to be content and satisfied in whatever situation you find yourself in. A thankful heart will value people more than things. It will value a smile more than richness. It will find joy in giving more than grabbing, and it will hold on to hope even when life's ship moves in troublesome waters. My friends are going to do a skit on this topic. Thank you.
Sometimes we are selfish and don't even know it. Sometimes we are not happy and don't want to show it. Clarence was both of these things, and when she saw others happy, it would make her heart sting. She thought,
Why is it so? I can't seem to see. Why happiness found them and hasn't found me? Maybe it's this. I know what to do. If I find what they have, I'll find happiness too.
and so she set out to find out what was it that they had, and soon she would know what was making them glad. First, she came across Lucy, a kind girl, and when it came to happiness, there was no doubt she had it.
Miss Lucy, my neighbor and friend, what makes you so happy from the day starts till its end?
Poor friends, if I would give all the reasons, I'll surely take a while. But there is one thing that I love the most. Take away very best carrot and now listen.
Giving is better, far better than getting. I know it may not seem true, but just try it once and you'll find what you're missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
Clarence ran off thinking,
That must be wrong. Giving is better? What an odd silly song.
Next thing she knew, she ran into James, a boy whose smile had brought him some fame.
James, tell me please,
Clarence began inquiring.
how can it be that you never stop smiling?
It's simple, my friend. I'm thankful for everything I have in my life. I have some of my acorns. I have plenty, you see. I've got less than I want, but more than I need.
Giving is better, far better than getting. I know it may not seem true, but just try it once and you'll find what you're missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
As Clarence kept going, she thought like before.
How can giving be better? Is less somehow more?
Then she ran into Owen, a most unselfish boy. Maybe he'd know the way to help Clarence blues.
Oh, please help me. I can't seem to find why. Everyone's heart is happier than mine.
Owen responded with a big toothy grin.
I know what you're seeking. It's something within. If you search your own heart, you'll soon be clear. Take my hat and scarf. It's cold out here.
As Clarence was leaving, she heard Owen sing too.
Giving is better for me and for you.
I still do not get it.
Clarence thought to herself,
I have all these nice gifts, but they just haven't helped me.
and finding no answer, Clarence turned to go home when she saw Willow, a girl, looking sad and alone.
Tell me, my friend, why are you so sad? Has something gone wrong that made you feel bad?
It's nothing that happened.
Willow said with a tear.
It's all about that I'm missing right here. You see, I'm building a snowman, but I can't proceed as I don't have the things that good snowman needs. So instead, he just plain with no face to show.
Clarence wished she could help, but what could she do? How could she make Willow happy if she was sad too? Then Clarence remembered all the gifts in her pack, and perhaps to be happy she should try giving back. So she said,
I think I got what you need. And all because others been so kind to me.
So Clarence gave Willow the carrot, acorns, hat and the scarf. Then she finished her snowman and it warmed both of their hearts. As she turned to go home, Clarence felt strange. The sting in her heart had suddenly changed. Though her pack was now empty, her heart overflowed. Was it the things she had given or the kindness she had shown? Just then, Clarence realized she had it all wrong. Trying just to be happy had kept her sad all along. She thought to herself with a smile,
Owen was right. Something within me that I've had all this time.
well, Clarence was much happier now, and if anyone asked why, she would sing, to tell how.
Giving is better, far better than getting. I know it may not seem true, but just try it once and you'll find what you're missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
ఇప్పుడు పుడమి తల్లిని అభినందిస్తూ మా స్నేహితురాలైన వర్షిని ఒక గేయాన్ని పాడుతుంది.
నీల పదానికి పర్యాయ పదాలతో అంత్యానుప్రాసాలంకారంతో నీల తల్లికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతూ మనిషి చేస్తున్న తప్పులను సరిదిద్దుకోమని తెలపడమే మా ఈ నేల తల్లికి కృతజ్ఞతలు గేయం. వందనం వందనం నేల తల్లికి అభివందనం, వందనం వందనం నేల తల్లికి అభివందనం, సకల జీవులకు పుడమి తల్లి ఇచ్చింది జీవనం. చెట్టు పుట్ట నదులు నీరు కొండ కోన అందించింది ధరణి మన కోసం. రాగి ఇత్తడి పుత్తడి వెండి కణజాలకు మేదిని ఆవాసం. పెట్రోల్ డీజిల్ ఇంధనాలకు దరిద్ర నిలయం. ప్రాణికోటి జీవనానికి కుంభిని అందిస్తుంది ఆహారం. మానవ మనుగడ కోసం అవని సమకూర్చింది సకలం. మేము రుణపడి ఉంటాము పృథ్వీకి నిరంతరం. ఓ భూమాత వందనం, నీకు కృతజ్ఞతాభివందనం. పరిశ్రమలు కర్మాగారాల పేర దాత్రిని చేస్తున్నాడు కలుషితం. ప్లాస్టిక్ వ్యర్థాలతో మనిషి చేస్తున్నాడు మహిని వ్యర్థం. ఇదిలాగే సాగితే భూమి అవుతుంది భస్మం. ఓ మనిషి మేలుకో, నీ తప్పుని తెలుసుకో. ఓ మనిషి మేలుకో, నీ తప్పుని తెలుసుకో. వందనం వందనం నేల తల్లికి అభివందనం, వందనం వందనం నేల తల్లికి అభివందనం.
మనమందరం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సినవి మరియు పాటించాల్సిన విషయాలను అద్భుతంగా గేయ రూపంలో చెప్పావు వర్షిని.
Let us now look back at the events of 2020 and relive them.
the real you, but you. Sometimes it is true that we don't know about ourselves. That is because we have either lost ourselves or maybe we didn't know about ourselves to begin with. Now my friends are going to show about this through the dance performance of the song Wake Up Sid.
सुनो तो जरा हमको है ये कहना, वक्त है क्या तुमको पता है ना। सो गई रात जाके दिन है अब जाग उठा, आंखें मसलता है सारा ये समा, आवाज़ें भी लेती है अंगड़ाइयाँ। Wake up Sid, सारे पल कहे Wake up Sid, चल कहीं चले Wake up Sid, सब दिशाओं से आ रही है सदा, सुन सको अगर सुनो सुनो सुनो। ये जो कहे वो जो कहे सुन लो, जो भी सही तुमको लगे चुन लो। करना है क्या तुम्हें ये तुम ही करो फैसला, ये सोच लो तुमको जाना है कहाँ। तुम ही मुसाफिर तुम ही तो कारवां। Wake up Sid, सारे पल कहे Wake up Sid, चल कहीं चले Wake up Sid, सब दिशाओं से आ रही है सदा, सुन सको अगर सुनो सुनो। Wake up Sid, सारे पल कहे Wake up Sid, चल कहीं चले Wake up Sid, सब दिशाओं से आ रही है सदा, सुन सको अगर सुनो सुनो सुनो।
The elements or the Panchamahabhutas, as the Vedas describe them, are the fundamental building blocks of the universe. These five elements are the essence of the entire world, both within you and outside. So it is more than essential to connect with them for tapping into powers of the universe. It might seem rather surprising, but the five elements influence behavior, emotions, and overall health. Balancing these elements in just the right way is the key to a happy and a healthy life. If we take some time to understand the elements and relate them, we can use them to stay in a balance physically, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. Thank you.
మనసులోని భావాన్ని ఎదుటివారికి తెలియజేసే మాధ్యమం మాట్లాడడం ఒక కళ. శబ్దశక్తి తెలిసిన వానికే ఈ కళ కరతలా మలకం అవుతుంది. ఒక ఆయన మెట్లు దిగుతున్నాడు. అదే సమయంలో మరొక ఆయన మెట్లు ఎక్కుతున్నాడు. దారి ఇరుకుగా ఉంది. ఇద్దరు మధ్యలో ఎదురుపడ్డారు. కింద నుండి వస్తున్న ఆయనకి కోపం ఎక్కువ. పైన నుండి వస్తున్న ఆయనతో ఇలా అన్నాడు,
నేను మూర్ఖులకి దారివ్వను.
పర్వాలేదు, నేను ఇస్తాను.
సాహిత్యాభిలాషి అయిన ఒక ఆయన ఒక కవిని కలిశాడు. ఎంతో కాలం నుండి తన మనసులో ఉన్న ఆశను బయట పెట్టాడు.
కవి గారు, నాకు ఒక నాటకం రాసిస్తారా?
ఓ, దానికేముంది, ఏ నాటికైనా రాసిస్తాను.
బజార్లో వెళ్తున్న ఒకతనికి తన మిత్రుడు తారసపడ్డాడు. చాలా కాలమైంది వాళ్ళు కలుసుకుని. వారి మధ్యలో సంభాషణ.
ఏంటి మిత్రమా, చెప్పులు లేకుండా తిరుగుతున్నావు?
చెప్పుకొనటకేమున్నదని.
కాసేపు వారి మాటల చమత్కారాలతో మన మనస్సులను ఆహ్లాదపరిచిన మా స్నేహితులను కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో అభినందిద్దాం.
I think that was a fantastic performance put together by all of you children. Amazing. I'm like really dazzled by your presentation skills, your dances, and the thoughts that you put together on your PPTs. Really, really wonderful, impressive. So I'm sure your parents also would like to, express their feelings at this point of time. I think it's a proud moment for all of us when we see you do such good work. But I think I'd like to say a few words before I hand it over to your parents. Good evening, parents, guests, and my dear children and teachers. It's a wonderful gathering that we have today. Although we miss the smells and the sounds and the space of the auditorium and its hustle and bustle, but the excitement of the annual day is very, very palpable and very real. And this annual day, the reason that why we thought we do it is, to showcase the talent of the children, to build up your confidence and presentation skills, and give you that welcome break from the academic routine. And going by the last 2-3 weeks, how you were practicing your songs and dances and skits, and you were doing your editing, I think you did get that lovely break from your serious, strict academics. So I'm sure you enjoyed it. But as we come to the end of the second term, I really feel thankful about the manner in which your teachers have salvaged the year 2020. To take a curriculum that was entirely physical and from the classroom, that depended a lot on textual content, and to make it digital and online is not a small task. It took a lot of learning, relearning, and long hours of tutorials, brainstorming, and wondering how to reach the children in the lockdown period. I think a lot of thought and a lot of work has gone into it. But bit by bit, I think we moved everything online. Your classes, activities, assessments, PT, assembly, competitions, festivals, presentations, class parties, celebrations, And now, the biggest of them all, the annual day also has been moved online. It is no mean achievement and definitely calls for a big round of applause for the teachers who made it possible. And I think it is totally in order of things that I want the spotlight turned on to your teachers, these amazing teachers who've helped you pull through this year and to put up this beautiful show. Let's spotlight Lakshmi Sharma ma'am. Mrs. Lakshmi Sharma, our academic in charge, combines in herself the experience of years of teaching along with the eagerness of a fresher. She's always ready to learn. She's been an example for us in the manner she has adapted to the online teaching. She's undeterred by the challenge of technology and has used it to her students' advantage. Even as she disciplines the children, she exudes warmth and compassion. Thank you, Lakshmi Sharma ma'am. And of course, the main sheet anchor of this show, Mrs. Kalyani. In her gentle ways, she encourages her children to excel. It is rarely that she loses her composure. Always encouraging and reaching out to the children, she puts in a lot of hard work into her students and never gives up on them. They are indeed very lucky to have her, and I'm sure the children will, resonate with my words. Thank you, Kalyani. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Mrs. Ramamani has a passion for math and she loves to share it with her children. Her confidence in her subject is unshakable. Ever ready to share a joke, she is hardworking and never gives up. Good going, Mani. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents.
Mrs. Sarita, in her classes, English classes, she strives to kindle an interest in English literature and her choice of teaching methods is eclectic. She's a friend, philosopher, and guide to her students, and they love her and respect her tremendously. Thank you, Sarita. Thank you so much.
Hi, children.
Mrs. Shanti is a combination of the firm and friendly. While gently encouraging the children to excel, she ensures discipline and decorum in her classes. She counsels, corrects, cajoles, and carries them forward. In spite of her initial hesitation, she has got into the online mode and has been doing wonderful work. Thank you, Shanti. Satyavati Garu has joined us for Telugu this year and is very sincere and true to her work. She has behind her immense knowledge and depth of experience that will surely kindle an interest in the subject in the minds of her children. Thank you, Satyavati Garu. Ushaji started off shakily but has grown in confidence. With the support received from school, she's become more comfortable with the online setup and is doing very well with the Hindi instruction. Thank you, Ushaji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. Sirisha is a computer science in charge and has been doing a commendable job across all classes. The children love her for she introduces them to the world of computers and the digital world, which really excites them. Thank you, Sirisha.
Thank you, madam.
Taking up science are Mrs. Durga and Mr. Shashidhar. Mrs. Durga has a deep interest in science and loves to delve into the topics and engage the children's imagination. Under her guidance, we look to grooming children to forever ask questions of why, how, and what, and continue to have a curious and inquiring bent of mind. Wishing you all the best, Durga. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Mr. Shashidhar has an impressive bank of experience of teaching behind him. Having worked with children and trained them at competitive levels, he has tremendous experience to guide classes 7, 8, and 9 in the intricacies of math and physics. Looking forward to a lot from you, sir. Thank you so much. Mrs. Sharada has been very adept at handling Telugu as third language. She teaches with an ease and I think has been successful in in developing an interest and familiarity in the children who are not native to Telugu. Thank you, Sharada. Parveen auntie is a favorite with the children, and she goes out of her way to make Hindi as popular among her children. So she puts them at ease and tries to teach them in the most friendliest of manners. Thank you, Parveen. Mallesh sir keeps the children fighting fit in the PT classes. And I think he's been doing a really good job in the online sessions. Thank you, Mallesh sir. Our back-end team of Mr. Lingam and Suresh have helped us tremendously in keeping up with the logistics and sustaining the office while all of us work from home online. Thank you, Lingam. Thank you, Suresh and Mrs. Uma and the staff. Sirisha, our tech in charge, has done a tremendous job in these days, in these months of lockdown. She has overlooked the transition for all of us onto the online platform, encouraging us and supporting us whenever we needed her the most. She's put in tremendous effort from her end and has been a blessing for the entire team of Daksha. Today's show and a whole lot of activities throughout the year wouldn't have been possible without her able guidance and support. Thank you, Siri. Mrs. Radhika is always there with a ready smile and a quick wit to liven things for us. She's pitched in every department of the online sessions. She's helped in hosting sessions, giving teachers much needed tech support, counseling children, and actually hounding the parents to ensure that there is no absenteeism among the children. Always ready with a helping hand, she's been the support system of the entire school. Her work is mostly behind the scenes and doesn't meet the eye, but is much appreciated by all of us. Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you all.
Even now, she's running the entire video in the background, as an emergency backup. So that's what she is. She's a backup for everything. Thank you, Radhika. And of course, parents, the pandemic has once again reinforced the importance of parent-teacher partnership in nurturing children. You've been our biggest and strongest ally in making learning possible. Without your cooperation and quick responses, this year would not have been possible. I think this year we have leaned on you the most than any of the previous years. You've come up winners. Kudos to all of you for being such amazing parents and for partnering the teachers this year. Our heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Finally, a big thank you to the children who give so much purpose and meaning to our work and to our days. Especially during pandemic, it was actually therapeutic taking the classes and sessions for the children. It was a relief whenever we would be with the kids. So thank you, children, for that. And I think you have risen to all the challenges that were given by your teachers, activities, lessons, presentations, and of course, this huge presentation of annual day. I think you've done total justice to it with all the enthusiasm that you've put into it. Thank you so much. But I would want to, children, in this gathering where you and your parents and all the teachers are present, offer you just a little bit of my advice. My words of advice to you, children, is continue to do the good work you do. Always know that your parents and your teachers have your back. We are there for you to come back to no matter what. Just as we appreciate your strengths, we totally understand your shortcomings and your indiscretions. Indiscretions are those little mistakes that we all do, even we grown-ups do. Know that your teachers and your parents are your best support system in this journey of life, of learning what is right, what is wrong. And yes, the social media, though very attractive, is highly addictive. Not just for you children, it is for us grown-ups too. Especially in these days of online learning, have the discipline of staying on course. Do not get carried away by anything you see or read online. Make your parents, teachers, and close friends your sounding board whenever you're in doubt. Know that you are loved no matter what. So just want to conclude with those words, children, and wishing you all the best, all the parents, all the children here. joyful, happy, and healthy times ahead. God bless us all. Thank you so much. And would love to hear from the parents. What are the thoughts in your mind that you would love to share with your children and with all of us teachers? Please feel free to unmute and let us know. Please, you can go ahead and speak your mind.
So maybe I'll go first. This is
Yes, Satya, please.
Ram's mother. Switch on the video. No, switch on the video. So I think definitely wishing everyone on the screen a very happy and healthy 2021. And this year, to what you mentioned, Anita, is not easy. I think for children, for teachers, for all of us, because the exposure towards the screen is something we are a bit worried. But can't believe we surpassed 9 months successfully. And, the best part is you kept the kids engaged, because I didn't find much difference in terms of the education of Abhiram, because I know he's missing coming to school, meeting his friends and all. But the energy levels and the focus towards education is something we didn't see much of difference. And I think that credit definitely goes to all the teachers there. And I understand how difficult it is for them, because they have to coordinate with a lot of things. So a big shout out to all the teachers, and we really want to thank them for taking this unusual year, making children feel as comfortable as they can. And as a parent, we are really, really thankful for that. And when Abhi mentioned they're having a virtual annual day, we are a bit wondering what is it they're going to do. And but I think again it really helped all the kids to bring out their creativity, and so glad to see the way they came up with skits and along with some good social message. I think that's something we always respected Daksha for, because you taught that social values to our teacher, to our kids especially. That clearly showed in the skits they came up with, and it's a good mix. It's a good mix altogether, and yeah, this one hour is really engaging, and once again we really want to thank you and your entire team for making this a pandemic situation as normal as it can in terms of the education of our kids. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Satya. And should definitely mention to all the parents here that Abhiram did amazing work in helping Kalyani with merging the videos and all. So good job, Abhiram. Beautiful work by you. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Satya. And want to check with the other parents. Would you like to share your thoughts now? Please go ahead. Please feel free. You want to kind of say to Kalyani auntie, Mani auntie, thank you, all the kids. Please go ahead. You can all turn on your cameras and your microphones. Yes, lovely. Lovely, lovely. So shall we all do 1, 2, 3 and say a big thank you to your teachers? Are you ready? All of you?
Yes.
Unmute yourselves. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and thank you. Thank you,
Thank you, Auntie.
Auntie. Thank you, aunties. Yeah. Wonderful. Right. So now, so we can have the formal vote of thanks.
I, Harshni, on behalf of Class 7 and the entire Daksha family, extend our sincere thanks to all parents and guardians for encouraging and blessing us with your presence and support. We express a deep sense of gratitude to our principal, Anita ma'am, for inspiring and leading us by example at every milestone. An event like this cannot happen overnight, especially with the new challenges we face these days due to the new way of living. We are grateful to the entire Daksha School management for giving us an excellent opportunity to showcase our interests and talents. We have been fortunate to be backed by such motivational leadership and guidance. I cannot thank all my friends enough
for their involvement and participation in making this memorable evening a grand success. I would like to conclude the event with best wishes to everyone to stay happy and healthy. Thank you and have a great evening.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय